If your HomePod Mini is stuck on the configuring screen and refuses to finish the setup, don't worry. This problem is way more common than you think, and it's usually linked to a pending software update or a glitch in the setup process. The good news is that there's a very reliable way to fix it, and it only takes a few minutes. Start by resetting your HomePod Mini. Unplug it from power, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. As soon as it powers up, place your finger on the top of the HomePod and keep it there firmly. You'll hear one beep, then a second, then a third. After that third beep, Siri will let you know the device is about to reset. Once you hear the voice prompt, lift your finger. That completes the full factory reset and gives you a clean start. Next, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Home app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and go into Home Settings. Create a brand new temporary home. It doesn't need to be fancy. It's just a quick workaround to bypass whatever was causing the device to freeze during your original setup. Once your HomePod Mini connects to this temporary home, tap the three dots again and go to Software Update. Wait a moment for it to check for updates. If an update is available, tap Update and let it run all the way through. This step is important because an outdated software version can stop the setup process from completing. After the update installs successfully, remove the HomePod Mini from the temporary home and delete that temporary home if you want to. Then start the setup again inside your main home, just like you normally would. This time, the configuring screen should finally move forward and finish without getting stuck. With these steps, your HomePod Mini should set up smoothly and be ready to use again.